As of 2026, it is prohibited to bury the inflammable waste underground in metropolitan areas, and this restriction extends to other areas starting from 2030, according to the Waste Management Act. Consequently, there is a significant focus on exploring alternative methods for managing and handling garbage in the coming years. Currently, daily garbage is managed through a system that involves the use of charge bags, where taxes are levied based on the weight and capacity of the disposed items. The garbage is then collected by specialized vehicles and transported to designated resource collection sites. At these sites, recyclable materials are sorted and sent for recycling, while inflammable waste undergoes incineration. Any remaining trash that cannot be processed is traditionally disposed of in landfills, serving as its final destination. The biggest reason for banning landfills in the future is environmental issues. When garbage is buried in the ground, it generates various gases such as methane, one of the major culprits of global warming. Installing pollution control facilities in landfills can reduce odors and pollutants, but it cannot prevent gases from being released as landfill wastes decay. It has been reported that about 10% of methane emitted by humans comes from landfills. In July, the Ministry of Environment announced a ban on garbage landfills in the Seoul metropolitan area by 2026 and nationwide by 2030. The regulation allows only recycling and incineration, with ashes being the only waste permitted for burial. However, the construction of new incineration plants faces opposition from local residents, making it challenging to determine their locations by the end of this year. Other countries are also making moves to eliminate landfills. Korea's landfill rate is currently 12.7%, whereas Germany's is 0.2%, Sweden's is 0.7%, and Japan's is 1%, which are impressively low. These countries are continuing their efforts to reduce landfills and increase recycling. However, the fundamental solution is to reduce waste itself because incineration also causes environmental pollution. The main constituents of fine dust include not only dust particles and sulfur oxides, but also hydrogen chloride, which becomes hydrochloric acid when dissolved in water, and carbon monoxide, which is found in briquette gas and cigarette smoke. Therefore, people should try to reduce waste at a personal level, and at the social level. The government should create regulations that would enforce manufacturing companies to produce products with recyclable materials at the production stage, so that less waste would be made.